Hi guys, it's Ethan, and I'm going to show you how to make a fruit shake. So what you want is a half a cup of strawberries, a half of a frozen banana, and a quarter of frozen blueberries. And you also want some milk. I don't have milk, so I'm going to use some silk milk, which is almond milk. So. And here's the steps to make it. So what you want is you want to pour milk in here, the half a cup of milk. So we put that in. If you want, you could just add a little bit of water. So now we pour in the blueberries. And now strawberries. And the banana. And put on the lid. Which I don't know how to do. So, yeah, we'll be back. And we are back. So, you have to blend it, which we just did. And you open this up and pour it in the cup. So yeah, that's the last one. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe. Bye! Why are you watching me?
How is it?
Good. My tongue feels like it's frozen. Thank you for watching. Bye.